Welcome back. We are looking at speed reading, and let's go through recap of what we have done so far. We now understand what is speed reading. Speed reading is reading fast. And these are some of the results of our students. They go from 250 words per minute or 300, 400 words per minute, all the way to 1000, 2000, and 3000 words per minute. And you saw what it would do for you. You can read the books fast, you can read the emails fast, you can read your study material fast, you can be done with your homework very quickly. All these good stuff will follow just by looking at one thing, by not saying the words in your head. And as you know, reading has four parts: seeing the words, high speed comprehension, information retention, and information recall. And we saw that we visualize the word first, we see the words first, we say the words in our head next, and we make the meaning. Typically that's the process, but saying the words in our head is not necessary. And I'll show you how to do that in this or next video. Because saying the words is a bottleneck. Saying the word is the bottleneck. We need to eliminate that. So again, these are some of the results that some of our students have got, and many others have many interesting and good results. Now let's look at what is the process. What is the process of reading, or what is the process of increasing your comprehension? What is the process of increasing your comprehension? We already saw that by stopping to say the words in your head, you can see the words faster. You can see the words faster, but we want to understand at fast speed, right? We want to understand at high speed. What you need to do is, whenever you are reading, whatever you are reading from now on out, emails, reports, uh, books for leisure, for study, you push yourself 5% faster. How much? 5%. That's it. Just 5% faster. What it will do for you is it will engage your brain in a nice and friendly way, not like a hurried way. Okay. This will engage your brain in making it understand more at higher speed. Okay. So you will start making inferences from whatever you are reading at higher speed. You will visualize whatever you are reading at higher speed. You will self monitor. You will self monitor what you are reading. You will start paying attention because you are pushing yourself just 5% faster. All this good stuff will unveil itself. You will start drawing conclusions at higher speed from whatever you are reading. You'll start making connections to what you have read before, to what is coming up next, to what the author is saying now, and why is he saying now. So all these mental processes that we all need to do to understand, to comprehend, to retain, and to recall the information, all these processes will start happening 5% faster. Now, here is the catch. As you start doing 5% faster, you don't stop. You don't ever stop going 5% faster. So if your brain can take this much, you do this much. Then the brain can do this much, you do this much. Then the brain can do this much, you do this much. Got the process? That's it. Very simple. So this is how we are going to work on your comprehension. Whatever you are reading, read 5% faster. And try to concentrate, try to make inferences, monitor yourself, visualize what's going on, draw conclusions based on what you're reading, make connections, think of how this thing connects to what I have read before, think of how it's gonna connect to what is happening next, think of what the author really has in minds, try to read in between lines. All these processes are necessary to comprehend well. And what I'm inviting you to do is to do this 5% faster. All right. Now, next thing in the process of learning speed reading is this. Typically, your plan, my plan, our plan, everybody's plan would be like this. I start and with a gradual grade of 5%, I reach my goal. But life is not like that. It doesn't work like that. It has all these ditches and forests and fires and water bodies and rain and all these lightning. They all happen in our life. They cannot be stopped, can they? Anything you want to improve, anything, our plan is like this: we want to go slowly paddle up towards our goal with a 5% grade. But that doesn't work. That doesn't work because life doesn't work that way. And what we here at Inner Labs do is we support you, help you throughout this process of going from this goal, wherever you are, to your destination. Maybe it's speed reading, maybe it's memory techniques, maybe it's performance enhancement techniques, maybe it's other myriad of techniques we teach here at Inner Labs. We will help you and support you through this process of ups and downs and forests and fires and the rain, because life works that way. So I hope you will join me in that journey. This is Dr. Ninad from Inner Labs.